a train journey. It goes for an hour and a
round
half. It goes through a valley, through tunnels, over a bridge. The train will
We're
make
going
one
on
stop in
a
the way.
train
It'll
to see a
stop at
waterfall
Barron Gorge for 10
and ride the
minutes.
sky rail up
Gives
the
you plenty of
mountain.
time to hop on.
And now we're on our way to somewhere that I don't know.
You weren't listening?
Because I wasn't listening. Taking a quick little rest.
Disease, snakebite, and other causes. There are magnificent views from this part of the line. Holidaymakers. Rushing over the falls of the tide, the way you feel and the way you feel, the way you
Here he is, falling asleep over here.
You will notice magnificent views towards Cairns.
And breakfast tacos. We got a kick-ass coffee with caramel ice cream. Skyrail time, baby. He's so cute. We seriously have just had a magical fairy day. I cannot believe we're witnessing this right now.